And then there is the structure of the PI planning and the agenda, which SAFE is consistent about communicating to Scrum Master. Hey, we have the agenda. Let's just follow this. So Scrum Master is not only facilitating, but maybe in a lot of the organization, are they also in charge of like helping the teams understand what's happening to prepare for this meeting? Also, like once it happens, like follow up with some members who probably have missed it, or what does that look like in the PI setting?
Yeah. So the communication, right? So Scrum Masters, as I said, in SAFE, will not be driving the delivery, but they will be driving the continuous or relentless improvement.
Relentless improvement. Gotcha.
Right? So they will be driving the team's progress. Team's progress. When I say team's progress, not the delivery progress, but team's betterment. Bring the good within the team and make the team great. So helping the team to understand what is the vision. Bringing in the required stakeholders, be it a PO, be it a PM in the sense, product manager, and be it an architect, or for that matter, any stakeholder, any business stakeholder too. If the team is able to understand why they are supposed to do what they are asked to do, the team will put its best.
Definitely.
So it is important for the team to understand how important is their contribution towards the business goal.
It's understanding.
Making them feel important, making the team important, right? Making the team feel important that their work is contributing to such an extent.
Yeah.
That is nothing but conveying and helping the team understand the vision.
Yeah.
Which, as you said, during the PI planning, it is very well important for the Scrum Master to keep up that. Another additional thing which I just got, which I thought I missed, is Agile, these frameworks, we are talking about time boxing. Right. So we commit to certain goals or certain objectives within a time box. Be it at the PI, the entire PI program increment, or be it at an iteration level, or be it at the ceremonies level, right? 15 minutes daily stand-up, what we call as.
Right.
Or for that matter, refinement session, or for that matter, retrospective, or to be precisely during the team's breakout during the PI planning. Time boxing.
Got you.
Right? So bringing the team on track. Focus is one of the Scrum's values again, right? Helping the team to focus on what needs to be focused on.
Yes.
In that time. So these are the communication aspects again of this Scrum Master, which elevate the requirement of being a good communicator, good collaborator, good facilitator during the PI planning in SAFE.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We will sure to come back with more exciting videos on Agile topics.